dear children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So I'm here with a new topic for you people. What is that topic? Any guess, my Yes, very good, my dear children. Yes, I'm going to take the topic conjunctions for you people. Let's begin. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases or sentences. It performs no other function. It is also called connector, जो ज्वाइन करता है दो सेंटेंसेस को, है ना. एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए. अंशुल एंड विराट आर फ्रेंड्स. तो यहाँ अंशुल और विराट दोनों को एंड कंजंक्शन से जोड़ा गया. रीटा इज इंटेलिजेंट बट लेजी, है ना. इसके भी लेजी तो है, बट को हमने कनेक्ट किया दोनों सेंटेंसेस को, यानी दोनों वर्ड्स को, इंटेलिजेंट और लेजी को बट के साथ. अब काइंड्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस, एंड, बट, और are the most common conjunctions. Some other conjunctions are words like so, for, until, unless, when, etc. Conjunctions may be used in pairs as well. Either or, either he or his friends are coming here. Neither nor, he is neither intelligent nor diligent. Both and, she is both diligent and intelligent. Whether or, he does not know whether his friends will come or not. Though yet, though Mr. Gupta is rich, yet he is unhappy. Not only but also. Not only my friends but also I am going to Punjab. तो ये ऐसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नोट देखिए, such conjunctions are called correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions are of two types. Coordinating conjunctions which join clauses of equal like ranks such as and, but, for, or still, otherwise, etc. Example, make haste otherwise you will miss the train. Subordinating conjunctions which join a clause with another or which it depends for its full meaning, such as that, though, since, when, as soon as, if, while, lest, then, because, as, etc. Example, work hard lest you should fail. Uses of some important conjunction, but still yet the express contrast between two statements. She is beautiful but rude. He ran fast yet missed the bus. He is poor, still he feeds the stray dogs. तो यहाँ पर इनका यूज़ हमने contrast के लिए किया. As, since, because, these are called conjunctions of reasons as they express reason. कैसे? As I am not feeling well, I cannot go with you. तो reason के लिए हमने इसका यहाँ यूज़ किया. He missed the train because he got late. यहाँ भी reason दिया गया है. Since I was suffering from fever, I could not go to school. Then it is used for making comparison. He is taller than you. If, unless, whether, those conjunctions are called conjunctions of conditions as they express condition. Example देखिए. If you work hard, you will pass. I do not know whether you like me or not. That, so, that, lest. These conjunctions are called conjunctions of purpose as they express purpose or result. Examples देखिए. Run fast so that you can catch the bus. Walk carefully lest you should fall. Some exercises for you people. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. I know, ये इसमें क्या करने वाले हैं आप? Conjunctions जैसे I know her better. You do. तो यहाँ पर आप दोनों को कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे, किस तरह की कंजंक्शन यूज करेंगे, आपको आइडिया लगाना है. ठीक है. बी पार्ट, ज्वाइन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग कंजंक्शंस गिवन इन ब्रैकेट. यहाँ आपको कंजंक्शंस दिए गए हैं ब्रैकेट में, तो देखिए कैसे यूज करेंगे आप. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस बाय एडिंग कंजंक्शंस गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स एंड फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ योर ओन. आपको खुद से भी यूज करना है. ठीक है. और while doing this, have fun, enjoy.